Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created my bank account like this with just my phone and a good internet connection. Without wasting much of your time, let's start. So first open your browser and then type in ecobank.com. I'll be leaving a link to the website in the description for an easy access. So for us to be able to open this bank account successfully, we have to follow 3 simple steps, which are the sign up process. The second step is the verification process, the email verification process, and then the last step is filling out a form for us to be able to get our account created. So when you are on the home page, all that you have to do is to scroll to the bottom and then click on open bank account. So you'll be taken to another page where the sign up process, which is the first step, will begin. So on this page, they are asking us to select our country. So we have a variety of countries over here like Guinea, Burkina Faso, and so on. But I'm living in Ghana, so I'm going to select Ghana, and it is already selected. So I'm just going to click on next. So here they are asking us, are we already having an account? No, we have to answer as no, because we are a new person going to create an account. So here the sign up process starts. So they are asking us of our first name, though I already have a bank account with them with my name, but for you guys I'm going to be using another name just to show you how to create it. So I'll be typing a name like Kofi as the first one, and then the last one to be I don't even know how to type over here. Okay, let's just type you. So the country, it is already selected, so you just leave it over there like that. And over here you have to enter our phone number, which is very necessary. Your main active phone number, which you use to attach to your bank account, so that when something is going on, they will be able to contact you easily. So over here I'll be tapping my phone number, and over here we'll be tapping your active Gmail. Make sure this Gmail you'll be using, you make sure that you don't lose it. If you lost it, you lost your account. So you have to make sure this Gmail is active. So let's tap in. Okay, let me use this one. So when you're done with everything over there, they are asking us whether if we are a robot or not, and we are going to confirm by clicking on this box over here, and we are verified. So you go to the next step. Something went wrong. Okay, it's probably a network that is disturbing. We are currently having a network issue in the country, that's why. Network error again. Okay. Yeah, due to the network challenges in our country, I'm having a little problem creating the account, but I'm sure you will not have this problem. So all that we have to do is I'll be logging into my account, the one that I've already opened. I'll log in over there, then I'll show you the last step, which is the third step, opening the main bank account. This one is very easy, you can do it yourself. So I'll be leaving this one out and log into my main account and show you how to open the main bank account over there without visiting the office. So I am on my main homepage right now. I'm trying to log in, but still I'm having a little problem over here. The network issues in Africa. Sorry, can't send verification number now. Okay, so even though the last step is a bit harder, but I think I just have to explain it to you over here since we are having a network problem. And I'm sure you, when you listen to what I will say very, very well, you'll be able to do it. So after you are done with the sign up process and then you verify your Gmail and everything, the application form, you have to click on a certain button over there that they wrote product on it. So when you click on the product, you scroll down and then see a list of different accounts over there. We have savings account, individual current account, and other ones over there. But if you want to use your bank account for big businesses, you have to select individual current account. But if you want to use it for small businesses, then select savings account. So when you select any one of them, there's a button below them, each one of them, that they've written on it, apply now, in a blue color. So you click on it. So after clicking on it, you will be sent to a new page. So on that page, they will show you list of document requirements on a pop-up. The requirement that you need to meet before they will be able to open a bank account for you, and I will mention some of them for you over here. The first one is your Ghana card, and you have to make sure that Ghana card is valid and it belongs to you, and the name and the information on that Ghana card is the one you use to create at the EcoBank account, the sign up process. You have to use those information over there to create the account. So when that one is done with it, when you are done with that one, then you continue to the last one, which is the utility bill or something like that. They'll be asking of address verification. They'll ask of address verification, which I will recommend you using electricity bill, which is issued to you in the past 6 months or 3 years. It's 6 months. And so when you have all those things ready, then you click on next, and they will bring you a list of fields for you to fill. So on that field, you'll be asked of your name again, that is on the Ghana card, your your phone number, recovery Gmail, recovery phone number, next of kin, and all sort of things that I'm sure you'll be able to fill. So when you are done with that thing, you'll be asked to take a selfie of yourself. In this selfie, you have to wear a shirt. Don't be bare-chested and take the selfie. You have to wear a shirt, and that shirt and the picture also have to be clear and not for them to see your face, and then match it with the one on the Ghana card. So after taking the picture, you'll be asked to take a live picture of your front page Ghana card and then the back page of your Ghana card. So when that one too is completed, you'll be sent to another page which you have to sign a document. You have to sign under in a certain box over there, and then agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on finish, which is the very last one. So even though I'm having a network problem over here, but when you listen to what I just said right now, you'll be able to create it. And the account, sometimes it might take longer to verify, and sometimes it might just take like 3 days. When you've done the things correctly, it will just take 3 or 1 week, for 3 days or 1 week for your account to be open. Well, sorry for the network issues in Africa. We are currently having they are saying the network cable was broken under the sea and something like that. I don't know for them. Yeah, but sorry. But if you listen to what I've just said right now, you'll be able to create the bank account. Yeah. So thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.